Hi everyone, I'll show you how to upgrade your RAM on your a1278 MacBook Pro. It's the one made from 2012 to 2008. So once you remove all the screws, use Phillips screwdriver. There's 10 screws. Remove it all the way around. You'll need to remove this back cover. And here's your RAM. It's going to be right here. So you just, as you can see, there's two things, like two sockets holding. You need to push them out. Once you push them out, you can see the RAM coming out. And then here it is. Push this one out and then lift it up and remove it. That's how easy it is. And now to stick it back in new ones, you do it sideways like this, and then you push it in. Make sure you make it into a slot. Boom. That's how easy it is. And now put your back. And don't forget to screw all the screws all the way around. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.